Ndewo, kekime. Ahambi Jama, Igbo. So today, nchoro kani me ule, create a quiz with me, okay? So I have different ways of creating quiz for my students, and this is one of them on SurveyMonkey. So yeah, join me. This is how I can create a very quick quiz, even for yourself. Maybe you're learning by yourself and you want to test your knowledge, so you can create your own quiz here. You can sign up to SurveyMonkey, it's free, and you can create up to 10 questions free, okay? And multiple surveys as well. So can you be done, okay? So I'm gonna create survey there, okay? Create survey. Meanwhile, if you don't want to watch this tutorial and you just want to take a quiz, there's a link below this video. 2 links. If you're a brand new beginner, there's a quiz for you. If you're like an upper beginner level, there's also a quiz that you can take quickly, just for fun, okay? Right, one. So I will go to here. It says copy a past survey. Let's start from scratch. Then we'll give it a name. I might say Igbo numbers. Okay, maybe numbers quiz we're doing. Igbo numbers quiz. And then one question at a time. Yeah, that will do. Create survey. Okay. So if you're just joining me, I'm just creating an Igbo quiz, showing you how I do it for my students. I have another one that I can create on Teachable, but this is one of the ways I do it on SurveyMonkey. Okay, and if you just want to take a quiz yourself, click the link below the video and just take one of those quizzes. Fine. I like check boxes. You can also ask, like, so they can tick, because sometimes I give quizzes that have multiple answers. So you can tick as much as is correct. So numbers. So let's say I am 10 years old, okay? So I will go in there and say, Mbo afo iri, iri, ndị afọ iri, ọ dị afọ iri, okay? And because this is a sample, I'll tell you which one is the answer. So I am 10 years old is ndị afọ iri. So D is what you use for telling how old you are. Okay, so is me. So treat this like a quiz. So it says score this like a quiz. So we enable quiz mode by ticking that. That allows me to choose an answer. Okay, so that's the correct answer. So when I make this quiz, so let's save it. If you want to make it mandatory, you go to options and require an answer to these questions, and then it means they have to answer it before they move on. Okay, so let's say we've completed and I've completed it. Okay, if you say next, I've only set one question, but you can set as many as you like. If I go here, collect responses. Okay, get web link. I'll copy the link. Okay. I wonder which I need to share this other screen, I think. Okay. So let's Well, you get it. That's how to do it, basically. I done it. So once you copy it, then you see it will just appear like a quiz mode. And when you click the right answer, you know you got the answer right. Okay. So that's it, how you create a short quiz on SurveyMonkey, and you can create Igbo quiz for yourself or for other people learning Igbo. One called the O, that's Igbo. And if you want to join me tonight, I'm doing a live question and answers on Zoom today, free. You click the link below and you can get the link to join us tonight. One O, Kodi, Igbo.